turn milk into plastic. We're going to need 2 cups of milk, 8 teaspoonfuls of white vinegar. We're going to use a strainer and a bowl. You're going to heat the milk on the stove, not to boiling though. Safety first, if you're heating things on the stove, have an adult work with you. Step 2, pour the milk carefully into the bowl. Add your vinegar into the milk. Wow. You see what's happening? Vinegar is reacting with the milk and making it turn into blobs. We need to make sure we're stirring for about a minute. Let's pour the mixture into the strainer. Wow, look at that. That's great. See, there's more liquid in here. We want to make sure we get all that out. Kind of squeeze that out. Look at all this that's left behind. You may want to put some paper towels down next. And after you've rinsed this in the sink, let's get all these blobs out and we can get some more of that moisture out. I can't wait to see what's going to happen. Let's pat it out on the table. And now let's press our cookie cutter down.
Did you know that milk contains many molecules of a protein called casein? A chain of casein monomers is called a polymer. The polymer can be scooped up and molded like we're doing here, which is why plastic made from milk is called casein plastic, and it lasts a really long time.
There's our shake. It's pretty thick though. We're gonna let this dry about 2 days. It's been 2 days. Let's check this out. I think this needs more time to dry. It doesn't look hard enough yet. Let's tap it on the table. Well, it sounds stiff. It's time to paint. Be creative. Use what you already have. Wow, I didn't read the directions very well. This is fabric paint. It didn't do too well on my plastic. Let me go back and look at the other paint. I'm going to try wiping off as much as I can. It needs to go outside a little while so it can dry some more. I found this cool blue color that I had. I think I'll just try it. There it is, my star. And for today, now you try turning milk into plastic.